Welcome back. The Prime Minister is in Varanasi, his third visit to his constituency. He's visiting just for 7 hours today, and his plans to make it a smart city on the lines of Kyoto in Japan are afoot, according to him. But after 15 months of him in power and the promises to his constituency, the roads are still potholed, garbage is still on the streets. The monsoon has taken its toll on this VIP constituency.
यहाँ के गरीब के जीवन में अगर हम थोड़ा सा आवश्यक बदलाव ला लें, समय के आधारित जीवन में टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रवेश करें, तो गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति की पहले जितना परिश्रम करके कमाता था, उससे भी थोड़ा कम परिश्रम करके वो ज्यादा कमा सकता है.
In the run-up to the Lok Sabha election, Mr. Narendra Modi, as a BJP's prime ministerial candidate, had promised that his constituency, Varanasi, is going to get the Achhe Din. He had promised that soon Varanasi will be developed into a smart heritage city. It will be built and rebuilt on the lines of Kyoto in Japan. Last 9 months, Prime Minister Narendra Modi could not visit his constituency. Twice, he had to cancel his visit because of inclement weather. Initially, when he started coming to his constituency twice, one found that there was certain amount of momentum that investors started coming up. Some kind of activity was visible. The schemes he had launched were visible on the ground in terms of inaugurations and launches. But now, after nearly 15 months, one finds that the roads are still potholed. The monsoon has taken a toll. The garbage dumps have returned to the streets of Varanasi. Today he is on a visit to Varanasi for a one-day visit. He'll be here for 7 hours. It's a short trip. In the afternoon, he'll be in fact meeting in a period of 90 minutes some over 40 odd delegations. One of the items on the agenda is the distribution of these e-rickshaws. E-rickshaws, 101 of them. 500 all rickshaws are also going to be distributed. But then, in a city where there are nearly 15 lakh people registered with various employment exchanges for employment, this is perhaps too little, slightly too late.
अच्छा, क्या मिल रहा है आपका? क्यों आए हैं?
4 पहिया वाला ठेला के लिए आए हैं।
अच्छा, कौन दे रहा है?
मोदी जी।
मोदी जी
कौन है वो?
कौन है मोदी जी?
प्रधान जी है।
प्रधान जी हैं।
कहाँ के प्रधान हैं?
ये किसने दिया आपको?
भाजपा
जी,
भाजपा सरकार दिया।
भाजपा से। ये रिक्शे से फायदा क्या होगा आपको?
ठेला है, ठेला है।
ठेला है, कोई धंधा करेंगे हम लोग गरीब आदमी।
Prime Minister's constituencies are usually super VVIP constituencies, and that is why for any organizing that the Prime Minister is coming for, we find that here major banks are here, the Prime Minister's initiatives are here. But there is one interesting element. If the Prime Minister is distributing rickshaws to the poor so that they can have some kind of a sustainable living, the political message perhaps is never missed. If you notice, these are the rickshaws and the carts which have been put up, and one cannot miss that the color is saffron, which is associated largely with the party the Prime Minister Narendra Modi comes from.